Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the lesson The Concert. The Concert. Shanta Rao. She was a notable dancer from India. She was exponent of Bharatnatyam and also studied Kathakali and Kuchipudi. She was recipient of Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy Award and Kalidas Sanman for music, dance and drama. This is a true story, but all the names except Pandit Ravi Shankar's and Ustad Allah Rakha's have been changed. Students, it is a wonderful story which has been written by Shanta Rao. So, a concert means a musical program. One evening in a small apartment in Bombay, a girl of about 16 looked up from the newspaper and said, Pandit Ravi Shankar's playing tomorrow at the Shanmukhananda Auditorium. Students, here both brother and sister, they were interested in music. The sister's name was Smita and the brother's name was Anant. But Anant was very ill. He was unable to walk. The boy said, yes, he wanted to attend the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar. He said, Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitar maestro. He raised himself up on his elbows for 1 second, then fell back. But his eyes were shining. We must not miss the chance, he said. But his mother said, lie down, son, lie down. He actually raised himself up without help. But he fell down. Mother became very unhappy. The boy said, I must hear the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar. Then he began to cough and gasp for breath and had to be given oxygen from the cylinder. Smita, sister of Anant, bit her lip in self-reproach. She had been so excited at seeing the announcement that she had not remembered that her brother was very ill. Students, Anant had the disease. Anant was going to die. He had the cancer. Her brother was dying of cancer, even though she pretended that all would be well and they would return together. A small family of 4, mother, father, Smita and Anant. And he was only 15 and best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner. He was learning to play the sitar. They were both taking sitar lessons. But Anant was better than her in many other things. He was already able to compose his own tunes to the astonishment of their guru. the cancer had struck and they had come to Mumbai so that he could be treated at the cancer hospital. Mother, father, and Smita, they had come with high hopes in the miracles of modern science. They were thinking that Anant 100% he would be cured. But when Anant listened about the concert, he said that he was interested to attend the concert, but it was difficult for him to go there. Smita stood at the windows looking at the traffic, her eyes wet with tears. Her mother said, Smita, you must go. You must attend the concert. Your father will take you. Anand said to her sister, okay, go and attend the concert. But I am very unhappy that I cannot attend the concert. A walk in the park might make you feel better, said Aunt Sushila, and Smita was grateful for her suggestion. In the park, people were walking, running, playing ball, doing yogic exercises, feeding the ducks, and eating roasted gram and peanuts. Smita felt alone in their midst and she was lost in her thoughts. Then she decided to attend the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar. She went there. She attended the concert. Then she tried to meet Pandit Ravi Shankar. She said the story of her brother to him. Pandit Ravi Shankar said, okay, 100% he will visit to the house of Smita. Next day, Pandit Ravi Shankar visited to Smita's house. It was a very excited Smita who came home late that night. Anant was awake, breathing an oxygen from the cylinder. And he said that tomorrow will Pandit Ravi Shankar come to visit our house? She said, yes. Tomorrow morning, Pandit Ravi Shankar will come with the tabla ustad and they will play for you. Students, Anant was very interested in music. And the following morning, Aunt Sushila's neighbors saw two men get out of a taxi which pulled up outside their block. They could not believe their eyes. Is it? It's not possible, they said. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Rakha went in the wooden staircase and knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. They went in, sat down on the divan by the window and played for the boy, surrounding him with a great and beautiful happiness as life went out of him gently, very gently. Students, Anant, listen the music. and he died. Students, it was the story. It is called The Passion. Anant was very passionate related to music, and after listening the music he died. Students, it was the story, the concert.